Hey, 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 health warriors. Welcome back to another episode of What the Health. I'm your host, Darwin Moore, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's all about cleaning, okay, but with a healthy twist. So if you've ever wanted to swap out your harsh, chemical-laden cleaning products for something more natural and better for your health, today's episode is for you. So first we're going to do a little bit of housekeeping. My name is Darwin Moore. I am the host of the What the Health podcast. I am a wellness advocate and consultant. One of the companies that I work with, I'm not going to mention them right here, but you'll be able to see the link below. So feel free to check us out. As a matter of fact, for any new member to the Essential Oils Club, we're going to have a special promotion going on for you guys where you can enroll for free and receive 25% off of all your essential oil purchases throughout the year. So make sure to check us out. The link will be below. Secondly, I want to welcome our exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. They make some of the most beautiful smelling colognes and perfumes, all natural, no phthalates, essential oil based, vegan friendly perfumes and colognes for you men and women out there. And they are going to give you guys 20% off. So you'll just use the code WTH20 and you'll see that link below also. And lastly, as always, I want you guys to help me guide. I want you to help guide this channel. So always, please give me your comments, likes, dislikes. Give me some of your experiences with essential oils, and we'll make sure to tailor the show and take the show in the direction that you guys want. So hopefully it's just some useful information that you find valuable, and you'll give me some ideas. And most importantly, please make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can always stay on top of the great information that we're putting out there on the internets. Want you to always stay notified when new episodes come out. So with that being said, today's show, we're going to talk about cleaning with essential oils. And, look at these bottles. They're not that huge. This one's a little bigger, but these little bottles with essential oil, they're just not for aromatherapy and boosting your mood. They're actually a non-toxic, more healthy way to clean your home, and they offer lots of benefits that you may not even know about. So I'm super excited to share how you can start using essential oils to clean your space and boost your immunity and leave your house smelling amazing. So grab you some of your favorite essential oils and let's get into it. All right. So first things first, why should you clean with essential oils? Okay. My biggest reason is because traditional cleaning products are often full of chemicals like bleach, ammonia, synthetic fragrances, and all of which can irritate your skin and your respiratory system and even impact your overall health. So not to mention many of these products that come in plastic packaging, which isn't great for the environment. And I'm not trying to get on my soapbox, but it's just a fact. And so essential oils, on the other hand, are natural and plant-based, so they're much more gentler on both you and the planet. Plus, they have this amazing antibacterial properties. They have antiviral properties, antifungal properties, which makes them perfect. I mean, perfect for disinfecting your home, okay? So whether you're cleaning kitchen surfaces, you know, like your countertops, your sinks, your stove tops, your stoves, you know, scrubbing the bathroom, tough grease, essential oils can definitely help you do it in a way that's safer and healthier. So we'll talk about some of the best essential oils for cleaning, starting with one of my favorites, okay? Tea tree oil, okay? Tea tree oil, this is one powerhouse because tea tree oil has natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. So if you want to sanitize surfaces in your kitchen or bathroom, or even clean your cutting boards, tea tree oil is a great choice. And it's especially handy when you're trying to get rid of germs in places like the bathroom where bacteria can thrive, okay? But we won't stop there. Another good essential oil you definitely want in your cleaning arsenal is lemon, okay? Lemon has those natural disinfectant properties and is very effective when cutting through grease. Okay, so if you're trying to clean your stove top or remove some sticky residue from surfaces, lemon oil is a game changer. And plus, it leaves your home smelling fresh and clean, which is what we love. Like you just walked into a citrus grove or something, okay? So lemon oil is another great essential oil for cleaning. Let's see here. You can even, and I always get back to this particular essential oil, lavender, okay? Lavender, it not only promotes relaxation, relieve anxiety, stress, promotes restfulness. It can give you a spa-like feel. Yeah, it can give you a spa-like feel. And so you gotta try lavender, okay? It's naturally antiseptic, antimicrobial. So it's excellent also for cleaning and disinfecting. And as I talked about, it has that relaxing, calming scent. So definitely kill two birds with one stone. Get nice and relaxed and very, very clean with a fresh, clean scent that helps just promote a peaceful atmosphere. I've used some, I have this lavender infused toilet bowl cleaner. And I swear to God, every time I clean the bowl, that lavender smell just permeates throughout the bathroom. So it gives you a good feeling that you're actually cleaning, okay? So you're probably wondering, how do I even use these essential oils to clean my home, okay? Now what we're gonna offer an ebook, and you'll see the link down below. We're gonna offer an ebook with some recipes for cleaning products, okay? So you'll see that link below, but we'll provide you with recipes, some easy DIY recipes. Just for example, if you want to make an all-purpose cleaner, okay? Just need water, vinegar, and whatever essential oils mixed that you want to use for your all-purpose cleaner. Maybe add 10-15 drops of essential oil to that, and you have a great all-purpose cleaner. Okay, so put all that together, give it a good shake, and boom. Okay, got an all-purpose cleaner. It's perfect for everything: countertops, kitchen tables, bathroom sinks. And then you got that vinegar in there, and that vinegar is going to do most of the heavy lifting, just by cutting through grease and grime. And while the essential oils are going to add an extra layer of cleaning power and a fresh scent. Let's see here. If you want to look to remove stubborn grease and grime, okay, you can make a paste with water, baking soda, dish soap, and 10-15 drops of lemon or orange essential oil. Cut through that grease. Okay, so in this particular quick recipe, the baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, while the citrus oils, they'll break down the grease and make it easier to wipe away, and the stuff works. Okay, I've done this. So next we can talk about air freshening. Okay, we all know it's important to have a fresh smelling home, but conventional air fresheners just aren't the way to go, because they're often filled with synthetic chemicals and fragrances that actually do more harm than good. So instead of reaching out for that aerosol spray, you can make your own natural air freshener with essential oils. Just simple. Say for instance, a simple room spray, a cup of water, a couple tablespoons of witch hazel to help mix the oil in the water, okay? And 10, 15, 20 drops of your favorite essential oils, okay? So just for a simple room spray, you can add lavender and eucalyptus mix to it, okay? And just add it all in a bottle, shake it up, and give your room a quick mist, and just deodorize the space and leave it smelling amazing. So you can experiment with different oils based upon your taste, but for a more customized scent. But just give it a try. And like I said, we'll provide you with the actual recipes. Just email me for the link for the free ebook on essential oil recipes. Okay. Another area is your laundry. Okay. I've started using essential oils in my laundry, especially when I'm drying. So I use those wool dryer balls, and what I've started doing is put a few drops of, I like to use orange, I like to use lemon, and I like to use lavender, and I like to use vanilla. I'll just add a few drops to those wool dryer balls, and your clothes just get tossed up in that and everything, and just leaves your clothes smelling naturally amazing. And so it just helps freshen your clothes and leave them smelling fantastic, with no synthetic fragrances or just pure natural scents. Okay, so as always, let me just back up. Those are just a couple of recipes just off the top of my head that you can formulate on your own and put them to great use, and have you having a healthy and great smelling environment. We always like to talk about safety, okay? Because while essential oils are all natural, they can be very concentrated. So always dilute them properly. If you're using them for surface cleaning, you're just fine to mix them with vinegar and water. But when applying directly on your skin, always dilute with a carrier oil. Now, when you're using and creating these cleaning products, always, and I put a video out there that's out here previously. Just also always make sure to have concern for your pets when you're using these sprays and whatnot, particularly cats and dogs. So if you're using essential oils in your home, just be sure to do your research and make sure your furry friends are safe, okay? So we don't want to hurt them, but I did, I'm trying to think. No, I haven't done it yet, but I will make a video on essential oils in pets, okay, to give you more in-depth information. So that's all the time we have today for what the health. And I hope you're feeling inspired to clean your home with essential oils and make the switch to natural, non-toxic cleaning solutions. And as always, I just want to thank you guys so much for rolling with me. But don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Share this podcast with all your friends. Keep comments below. Keep your eye out on the links in this video, for my essential oil company, my terrific sponsor, Cranwood Collection. And with that being said, stay healthy, and we'll be back soon. So until next time, thank you.